Students, let us solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. So what is this factorization? To find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method, we first write the given quadratic polynomial as product of two linear factors by splitting the middle term and then equate each factor to 0 to get the roots of the quadratic equation. Let us take the problem here. So this x is the middle term. This x is called the x is the middle term. While factorization, we have to get, while adding or subtracting, we have to get this middle term and we have to equate to 0. Now this coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is minus 12. So 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. So we have to get minus 12. We have to get minus 12. Here the middle term is plus 1. Here the middle term is plus 1. So we have to split this middle term into two factors. So we have to split this middle term into two factors so that the coefficient of x square and the constant must be equal to minus 12. So here coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is minus 12. So plus into minus is minus 12. So the factors are 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 3 are the factors. So 4 3s are 12. So here we have to get plus. That's why let us give plus 4 and minus 3. So plus into minus is minus 12, and if you subtract you will get plus 1. Now let us write this as x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So you have to split this middle term into two factors. Then here x square plus 4x, here in this 3x minus 12, let us take x as common. So if you take out x as common, x is outside, x plus 4, already x is outside, the remaining is only 4. Minus 3 and 12 are the factors of 3. We can write, if you take out 3 as common, x, while taking this minus common, it becomes plus, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 and x plus 4 is common. We can write x plus 4 into x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So which is equal to x plus 4, which is equal to 0. Then x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now if you transpose 4 to RHS, it becomes x is equal to minus 4. Here x, if you transpose 3 to RHS, it becomes x is equal to plus 3. So these are, this x is equal to 4 minus 4 and x is equal to 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Let us go to next problem. Solve 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us split this middle term into two factors. So we have to split this middle term into two factors. How to split this middle term into two factors? Now let us multiply. The coefficient of x square is 6 and constant is minus 2. So we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and constant. So 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is how much? 6 into minus 2, which is nothing but minus 12. So we have to get minus 12. So how to get minus 12? So which are the factors? So let us give 4 3s are 12. The factors are 4 and 3 are the factors. 4 3s are 12. Here we have to get minus, and while adding we have to get minus 1. We have to get minus 1. So what sign to give plus 4? What sign to give for 4 and 3? Let us give minus 4 plus 3. So the bigger number is 4, and for this bigger number the sign is minus, so we'll get minus 1. So let us write this as 6x square. First write plus 3x, then write minus 4x. Then it is easy to take the common factor. Now 6x and 3x, here 4 and 2 are the factors. 4 and 2 are the factors of 2. 6 and 3 are the factors of 3. We can take x outside. Therefore we will get, if you take out 3x as common, 3x, here also 3x. So if you take out 3x as common, here 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Already 1x is outside. The remaining is only 1x, plus already we have taken 3x outside, remaining is only 1. Then minus, here 4 and 2 are the factors of 2. Therefore if you take out 2 as common, then 2 2s are 4, x as it is. We are taking minus as common, this minus becomes plus. So this minus becomes plus. 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 0. Now here 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 which is common. So 2x plus 1 if you take out common, then the remaining term is 3x minus 2 which is equal to 0. Now equate 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So write 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now transpose plus 1 to RHS, it becomes minus 1. Here also we transpose minus 2 to RHS, it becomes plus 2. Therefore we can write x is equal to minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2 by 3. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us take the problem. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now let us write the problem as it is. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, and we have to multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term, which is nothing but minus 10. So we have to get 1 into minus 10. So 1 into minus 10 is how much? 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. So which is equal to minus 10. So we have to find the factors of minus 10. So that we have to get the middle term minus 3. Then which are the factors? So the factors are 5 2s are 10. So the factors are 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. And write 5 2s are 10. So we have to get minus 3. So to get minus 3, what sign is to give for these factors? So we will give minus 5 and plus 2. Now plus into minus is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Now let us write the factors. X square, first write minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have to split this middle term into two factors. So splitting the middle term into two factors is very, very important. Here we have to split this middle term into two factors. Now we can take, here x square is there, here x is there, we can take x as common. Here 2 and 10 are the factors of 2. If you take out common, take x as common, remaining is x minus 5. already x is outside, plus if you take out 2 as common, x minus 2 5 is 10, which is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 and x minus 5 is common. The remaining term is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So transpose this 5 to RHS and plus 2 to RHS. And what you will get? You will get x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Let us move to next problem. 2x square minus plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x square is 2 and the constant is minus 6. Constant is minus 6. So we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. So we will get plus into minus is minus. We will get minus 12. 6 2 is 12. Then we have to find the factors of 12, so that we have to get the middle term plus x. Then which are the factors? So 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. 4 3 is 12. Now here we have to get minus, and here we have to get the plus as the middle term. That's why let us give plus for 4 and minus for 3. While subtracting we will get plus 1, and if you multiply plus into minus is minus 12. 4 3 is 12. Now let us write the factors. 2x square, first let us write plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have splitted this middle term into two factors, which is equal to, let us take in these two terms 2x is there, and here also 2 into 2x. So here 2x is common, and then x plus 2x 2 is 4x minus, here 3 and 6 are the factors of 3. Let us take 3 as common. Here x, while taking minus, this becomes plus. 3 2 is 6, which is equal to 0. Here x plus 2 and x plus 2 is common. Let us take outside. So if you take out x plus 2 as common, the remaining terms are 2x minus 3. 2x, so this is 2x. So we have to take this 2x outside and this minus 3 outside. 2x minus 3. So which is equal to x plus 2, which is equal to 0. So this x plus 2, which is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now transpose x to RHS. Sorry, 2 to RHS, it becomes minus 2. Now to transpose 3 to RHS, it becomes, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Transpose minus 3 to RHS, it becomes plus 3. Now x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Transpose 2 to denominator. The roots of the given quadratic equation by factorization method is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us move to next problem. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you multiply, the coefficient of x square is 100 and 100 into 1. 100 into 1 is 100, which is equal to 100. So we have to get, while multiplying the two factors, we have to get 100, and while adding or subtracting we have to get minus 20. So let us find the factors of 100 by factorization method. If you find the factors of 100 by factorization method, what you will get? You will get 10 tens are 100. This is 10 and this is 10. 10 tens are 100. Here we have to get minus 20. That's why I give minus minus. Minus into minus is plus. You will get plus 100. If you add these two, you will get minus 20. Now split this 20 into two factors, which is minus 10x and minus 10x. Now here 100x minus 10x minus 10x plus 1. Now we can take 10x as common, then 10 tens are 100. Already 1x is outside, then only 1x is remaining. Minus 10 into x is 10x. Minus here 10x, we can the common factor for 10 and 1 is 1. The 1 tens are 10x. Then while taking common, this minus, this plus becomes minus. Now this is minus. Now this is minus. Now it is equal to here 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1, here 10x minus 1. This is not plus, this is minus. This is minus. 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1. Now remaining term is, this is 10x. Here you have to write, then minus 1, which is equal to 0. So which is equal to 10x minus 1, or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 10x is equal to 1, 10x is equal to 1, transpose 1 to RHS. Here you transpose 1 to RHS. Now x is equal to, transpose 10 to denominator, it becomes 1 by 10, or x is equal to 1 by 10. Now x is equal to 1 by 10 and x is equal to 1 by 10 are the factors, are the roots. These are the x is equal to 1 by 10 and x is equal to 1 by 10 are the roots of the quadratic equation 100x square minus 20 plus 1 is equal to 0.